Welcome back, guys. Today, we're diving into the latest leaks and rumors surrounding the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is expected to launch early next year. So, let's break down everything that is recent. Starting off first is the big changes in the RAM department, where leaks suggest 3 variants for the S25 Ultra, where there are 12 256GB, 16 512GB and 16 1TB variant. This is a significant step forward, since the last Galaxy Ultra was the S21 Ultra featuring 16GB RAM back in 2021. Since then, Samsung's flagship lineup has been capped at 12GB. While the storage options may not be anything new for Samsung, but the RAM definitely is a boost. Although 16GB may have been overkill and thus removed as an option, seeing other manufacturers offering that much RAM. This year Samsung is also finally bringing 16GB of RAM because of on-device AI capabilities, similar to Apple's recent moves. However, if you're wondering, this extra memory is for the advanced features of Galaxy AI, possibly including computational photography and improved AI tools with new One UI 7. With all that said, in addition to the RAM and storage options listed above, we also have some other rumored specifications of the upcoming Galaxy S25 Ultra, where design-wise, the device is expected to ditch the Samsung's signature sharp edges for a more rounded frame, which is a subtle but noticeable change. Furthermore, as for the performance, the phone will pack the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring top-notch speed and efficiency. Moreover, we also have the latest leak about the camera specs of the S25 Ultra, thanks to the Camera FE5 database listing, where the details reveal that the main camera of the S25 Ultra will remain same, that is 200MP Samsung HP2 sensor. However, there is buzz for the 50MP ultra-wide and telephoto sensors, which is believed to churn out 12.5MP photos with the 4-in-1 pixel binning feature that improves detail and low-light performance. With that, the camera will also carry a sensor with 4080 by 3060 pixels resolution and electronic image stabilization, though these might not be a big of a jump compared to last year's S24 Ultra. But just as any other flagship, Samsung is expected to take good advantage of the artificial intelligence capabilities of the new crop of chips that will power them, so the camera algorithms might receive an extra computational photography boost that will bring about new features such as deblurring or better object separation in portrait shots. That being said, what are your thoughts on upcoming S25 series? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Peace out.